We have a Lexus truck here. Not too bad at all, not really. I didn't take an after video, but you could see. So what do we have here? Very light haze. They're catching these lights in time. So, you know, they're going to come out great, obviously, because we're doing it. There you see it, and you'll see when they turn the light on, there's a lot of scratching there. But we took care of that too. Here's a still of the passenger side, and you'll see a still of the scratched up right side, which looks fantastic. No scratches, no nothing. We service South Florida, 754-302-0769. Fully mobile. We come to your home or office. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. Give us a call, or you could even text us the pictures of your headlights.